Hey, welcome. Paul here once again. Good to see you. You didn't know I could see you, did you? Yeah, I know who's watching. Okay, let's get going. Day 2 of Quick Tips to Success Online. Hey, in day 1 I talked about where to start, finding your purpose, your path, your burning desire. And that was focused around the product or service that you want to promote. And if you didn't have one, hopefully the link I provided there helped you to find something that resonates with you. Today I want to start to explore how to make that happen. In any business, there needs to be a plan of action or a business plan. In simple terms, we start with our idea that develops our product or service. Then we must put together a plan which includes marketing so that we can produce prospects to add to our list that eventually produces sales, which equates to money. All of these elements of the business plan we'll cover in upcoming days, but right now I want to talk about the most foundational part of getting to understand how to build anything, and it all starts with awareness. It's a simple fact that if you're not aware of what it takes to do something, you won't be very good at it, right? In order to be a top-notch salesman, for instance, salesperson, let's be PC, right? You have to be aware of certain skills and develop those skills. To be a surgeon, well, it takes a great deal of awareness. For sure, it takes hours and hours of foundational study and apprenticeship before performing that first surgery. That's what I'm talking about here. Same thing applies if you want to build an online business. There are certain skills necessary and certain procedures and strategies to employ to be successful in making your mark online. Part of that awareness that is absolutely necessary is the ability to focus. It's easy to start off with good intention, but unless focus is maintained, you'll soon find that most of us, including me, we're distracted by the next shiny object that comes along that doesn't build on that goal that we previously set. Hey, it's human nature. Something looks so good, and then you get pulled away only to get disappointed with the outcome, and now progress is stopped. And you have to start all over again. That is part of being ever present and aware of your goal and following a proven system and a course of action, literally a blueprint. I believe it was Stephen Covey that said, there are always two creations. The idea or the plan that draws forth the plans or the blueprint, and then the actual entity, the building or the business itself. See, I want to challenge you to a whole new mindset, something that is rarely talked about since most of us, yes, me included, have been sold the shiny objects that have little to do with plan or structure. We see the potential result, but how to accomplish that result is a process, a blueprint to achieve that desired outcome. So how do we maintain that mindset, that focus, and build a foundation that will serve us into the future? Good question. It's a matter of definiteness of purpose, right? It's your burning desire to bring to fruition the plan that you have set out to accomplish. And what will keep you focused is, once again, what I mentioned before, the mastermind group and your mentorship that I talked about in day 1. I discovered that through one of my mentors, and I found this inspiring and most useful, the information that I've found to date. Now, I've also included it in a link below, and I referred this to you yesterday, and I've included it once again. And I'd encourage you to watch the video if you have not done so yet. The teaching and support you'll find is second to none, at least in my opinion. So take a look at it. In day 3, I'm going to be talking about something that has made a profound difference in many areas of my life, and probably yours as well. Not just in business, but in my overall relationships, my health, and of course my business life. So check back, and I encourage you to leave a comment. I'd very much appreciate it. I'd be very grateful. So thank you, and take care. God bless.